Retsch's product philosophy is based on a quote by Aristotle: "The whole is greater than the sum of its parts." Therefore, our R&D department does not simply choose high-quality components, but also pays full attention to their perfect interaction. It is this approach which determines Retsch's products to be superior and makes our air-jet sieving machine AS200 Jet the optimum solution for perfect quality control. The AS200 Jet is particularly suitable for small particle sizes and materials, which tend to agglomerate. Therefore, the sieving machine is primarily used in the following fields of application: construction materials, especially cement, plastics, pharmaceutical products, food. The AS200 Jet works with standard sieve diameters of 200 and 203 millimeters. Typical batch sizes range from 10 grams to 100 grams. Particles in a size range of 10 micrometers to approximately 4 millimeters can be classified. A typical air-jet sieving process begins with the placement of the sieve on the nozzle compartment. The sample is then poured on the sieve mesh and the dust-tight cover is placed on top of the sieve. When the required parameters such as time and revolutions per minute have been entered, the sieving process can be started. As stated before, the AS200 Jet is ideally suited for very fine powders which tend to agglomerate and are only insufficiently separated by vibrational sieving. Traditional vibratory sieve shakers throw the particles upwards, allowing them to change their orientation. Particles which are smaller than the sieve apertures pass the sieve mesh due to their accelerated mass. For breaking up agglomerates, the use of sieving aids such as chain rings or Stia-tight balls is helpful. Vibrational sieving of sensitive or very light sample materials with a tendency to agglomerate, which primarily applies to particles smaller than 200 microns, is very difficult. It is definitely problematic for particle sizes below 63 microns. In this size range, air-jet sieving is the perfect solution. Compared to vibratory sieve shakers, the AS200 Jet provides for fine materials sieving results with a higher degree of separation efficiency in only a fraction of the time. The reason for the effectiveness of air-jet sieving is based on two components: a rotating slotted nozzle which is connected to the ambient air, and a high-performance industrial vacuum cleaner which is connected to the compartment. When the vacuum cleaner is turned on, it generates a vacuum inside the sieving machine. The resulting suction pulls ambient air through the slotted nozzle. The extremely narrow slot accelerates the supplied air and pushes it at high speed through the sieve mesh. The air jet briefly disperses the particles on the sieve mesh before they are sucked in by the vacuum cleaner through the sieve mesh. Additionally, agglomerates are dissolved when they hit the cover. Thanks to some special features, the AS200 Jet allows for extraordinarily reliable and reproducible sieving processes. The open mesh function, a procedure which greatly reduces the number of near-mesh particles, provides optimum separation efficiency and excellent reproducibility. A highly precise and sensitive pressure sensor inside the device constantly measures the negative pressure. The value is indicated on the display. The generated negative pressure can be continuously controlled via a manual suction force adjuster. Time and revolutions per minute are adjusted digitally, and 9 standard operating procedures can be stored for routine sieving processes. This ensures reproducible measurement conditions independent of the operator. The AS200 Jet offers a range of useful accessories. If the measured sample material is needed for further analysis, it can be recovered with the help of the optionally available cyclone. It also helps to avoid blockage of the vacuum cleaner filter with fine particles. An automatic vacuum regulation can be connected to the device, which interacts with the pressure sensor, automatically adjusting the airflow to the entered value during the whole sieving process. The supplied sound absorber can be connected to the air inlet channel, which reduces the suction noise significantly. Thanks to an integrated interface, the AS200 Jet can be controlled with the evaluation software EasySieve. This program allows to control the entire sieving process and the subsequent documentation, easily, comfortably, and without errors. As an expert for sieve analysis, Wretch offers the widest product range in this segment. In addition to the AS200 Jet, the program also includes vibratory sieve shakers for dry and wet sieving, as well as instruments for horizontal and tap sieving. The EasySieve software for the automated evaluation of the sieving results and the high-quality test sieves complete the line of products. Wretch, competence in sieving. For further information, visit our website, www.wretch.com. There you will find our complete product range and a list of our international distributors.